Hello, this is the 6th video of the 3rd complex number series of OCR Pure Core AS Further Mathematics, and it considers the argument definitions for loci. On this Argand diagram you can see 2 points, one the variable z equals x plus yi, and the other a fixed point, z1 equals x1 plus y1i. The line between them is given by z minus z1. Consider the loci argument of z minus z1 equals theta, with a fixed point and the variable point as detailed. So theta is measured between x minus x1 and that line z minus z1 from the point z1 only. We know therefore that theta is tan to the minus 1 of y minus y1 over x minus x1, and that the argument will be unique. So the locus is only a half line starting at z1. If we look at this example here, we can see that we have the argument of z plus 2 plus 3i. If we rewrite this as the argument of z minus 2 minus 3i, then we've worked out where z1 is. As you can see here, it's minus 2 minus 3i. So that's our starting point for the half line. And we know that that half line is going to be at an angle of pi by 6 from the line through y equals minus 3. This is shown here in red on the Argand diagram. Here is another example. We want to sketch the locus of z given by the argument of z minus 3 plus 2i equals 3 pi by 4. As you can see here, we would rewrite this to being z minus brackets 3 minus 2i, and that's why we have placed the z1 at the 3 minus 2i point on the Argand diagram. So we know this is our starting point. We would then know that we would have a half line starting at the point 3 minus 2i at an angle of 3 pi by 4. For an interesting look at the more difficult case where argument of z minus z1 over z minus z2 equals theta, you can see the following GeoGebra file. In the next session, we will cover regions defined in the complex plane.